everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to do these little crochet flowers, very easy to make. I'm gonna show you how to do 2 more stitches so we can be able to make it. But before that, I'm gonna show you what I've just finished to make, just because I'm really in love with it. It does light up. You can use as your kids' decoration bedroom. And if you like it, you can contact me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram on the description box. So if you are interested, contact me from there, please. And let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need today for the flowers is the yarn that you're gonna use for the rose and a yarn to do the leaf. Yeah, okay, that's a good way to use all your leftovers yarn because you don't need very much of it. So we're gonna start doing 16 chains. Okay, I'm using a 4mm hook, crochet hook, yeah, and the smaller the hook, the smaller the flower, so it's up to you how you would like your flower to look like. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. So you're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna do your single crochet in the first chain. And we are going to do a half double crochet. This is one I'm gonna teach you today. So half double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain space, pull through, and you're gonna have 3 loops on your hook. And yarn over, you're gonna pull through all 3 loops and you're gonna have your half double crochet. Okay, and next one you're gonna do a double crochet. So the double crochet, you're gonna yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain space, yarn through, you're gonna have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you're gonna have 2 loops left on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, you're gonna have 1 double crochet. Okay, and we are going to do 2 double crochets in the next 12 chain space. Okay, so let's do 2 double crochets in the next 12 chain space. I'm gonna speed up a little bit so it doesn't get too boring for you. Okay, I'm gonna do one more one more time slowly for the double crochet if you didn't. So pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, and one more in the same chain space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, I'm gonna stop here, and I'm gonna stop here, and I will come back when I finish the 12 chain spaces, and we're gonna have just one last chain left. Okay, I'll be back soon. Hi guys, I'm back. I've done the 12 double crochets, which is 24 because we needed 2 in each chain space. This is how it looks like, yeah. And I left one more double crochet, the last one, to do with you all. So yarn over, hook in, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and in the last chain space we're gonna do 4 double crochets, all in the same space. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then you are going to slip stitch and fasten off. Leave some tail left so you can sew in the flower. We're gonna need a bit of yarn. Okay, so cut off, pull it, and it's going to look like this. Okay, it's already having a shape. So we're gonna roll from the beginning, yeah, and we're gonna make a rose shape. You just go around, and when you are happy with the look, you grab your needle, and we're going to sew the end of the rose. Okay, make sure it's very secured. And what I like to do at the end is you put your needle through the middle and bring it to the middle of the rose, so we'll give you a nice finish. Cut really near the okay, then you hide again this last piece of yarn, I like to put through again the middle. And here you have your little rose, yeah. And now we're gonna make the leaf or leaves. You can put 2 if you want, you can put 1, so it's up to you how you want your rose to look. Okay, so I'm gonna make just 1 just to show you, and if you want to make more than 1, you do it. You know how to do it. Let's get our green yarn Okay, so for the leaf we need to chain 5. Okay, slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you chain 1 more, so you chain 6 at the total. Single crochet in the first chain space from the hook, half double crochet in the next chain space, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and a double crochet on in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're gonna do 1 more half double crochet in the next chain space, and you're going to do 3 single crochets in the next and last chain space. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you're gonna continue on the other side of the chain. Okay, so you are going to try to hide your tail as well as you go crocheting. So you're going to start again with half double, double, half double, and a single crochet on the last one, and you fasten off, and your leaf is ready. Okay, cut your yarn, leaving a long tail, and I'll be back to show you how to sew on the flower. I'll be back. Okay, so we finish off our leaf. Yeah, here's the tail that we crochet together along with the stitches. We can cut it, and here's the tail you left to sew on your flower. Okay, so put your yarn through your needle, and you are going to see where you like your leaf on the flower. For me, here it's fine, and you are going to sew it here. Give a couple of stitches to make it really secured. I'm gonna do just 2 or 3 here to show you, and you do, I think 2 or 3 or 4 it's enough. You can here finish off. And you can hide your yarn and cut it off. Okay, so here is your finished flower. Yes. Okay, I hope you like it, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Bye!